Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 4 sin t, because if we put 4 sin t going here, you have 16 sin t square, number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by square root and ds. ds we have for cosine t dt. After we do first the derivative of sin t, you got cosine t. So we put this one go in here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have 16 sin t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. One minus sin t square, we change for cosine t square. The square root of number 16 cosine t square, we have 4 cosine t. Now we simplify and we have dt. The integration of dt, we have t plus c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we have t equals to r sine of s over 4. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.